Hey guys, welcome to the new video of eFootball 2026. And as we know that eFootball 2026 ends today, but this channel is just getting started. I will see you in eFootball 2027. So today's video is all about the last 5 tries of the daily game box. So I have one final chance and today is literally the last day of eFootball 2026.
Our eye, the one in the center. He would neither go to the feeding grounds at the edge of the ice nor return to the colony. Shortly afterwards, you can see him heading straight to.
So let's see whom we pack first. So there we go. You can see there I have 77 tries. Let's see what all tries do I have. There are 3 for Vucinia and Raul. I already have one card of him. After that, we come to the main part. Daily game box. 5 tries. Let's see. So before this season disappears, we are going to find out if Konami is finally going to bless me or not. Let's start the pack opening. Without doing anything, let's start. First try, here we go.
Give me one more chance, please.
Okay, it is nothing. It is Mbundu. I don't have any card of him, so it's good. I guess this guy is for goal poacher. Okay. Now the second try. 1, 2, 3. Again. सोन परी मिल चुकी है हमें, बहुत बढ़िया. तीसरे ट्राई की तरफ अग्रसर हो रहे हैं हम. And this is the third try. 1, 2, 3, go. रोमेरो.
सफेद कपड़ा ओ
ये अपनी वाइफ को ही टैकल मार देते हैं. बहुत ही बढ़िया प्लेयर हैं, शानदार तरीके से आगे बढ़ते हुए. एंड नाउ वी विल गो फॉर द लास्ट 2 ट्राइज. कोनामी ने पूरे पैसे काटे हैं. इस साल भर में मैंने एक पैक फुल वाइप आउट भी किया है हुलिट के लिए, है ना. और ये लैग तो हमारा सदियों का नाता है. नाउ कम ऑन, चलिए भैया. तो दिस इज़ द 4th ट्राई एंड नाउ लेट्स सी इफ वी कैन विन और गेट द चैम्पियंस लीग प्लेयर, मतलब ऑलमोस्ट अ चैम्पियंस लीग प्लेयर दिस सीजन. दिस इज़ द 4th ट्राई. हियर वी गो. यस, सी जो मैं बोलता हूँ वही होता है. इट इज़ लुलुलुलु दियाज. क्रिंज कंटेंट के लिए माफ़ कीजिए. एंड दिस इज़ द फाइनल ट्राई फॉर अकांजी. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, बूम. लेट्स गो. फाइनली ढंग का एनिमेशन तो आया. Okay guys, and if you are still here, seriously I am very much thankful to all of you. This channel is pretty new and I am trying to build a proper eFootball community from the ground up. I am going to be posting pack openings, player reviews, gameplay, challenges, squad building, and most importantly, I am going to be listening to the people who subscribe and comment. Okay, since so if you are also a eFootball player, don't just subscribe sorry, थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही यहाँ पे हम एकदम ठीक है, सब्सक्राइब करें, कमेंट करें your best and tell me about the best pull of from this daily game. Thank you. Peace out. Gam. Peace out.